What's up, TJ Unboxed? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video we are unboxing this Toshiba air purifier, and this thing is absolutely massive. This was one of the prime deals that I was able to get. I believe it was $79, and this also came with an Echo Dot 3rd generation. But enough talking about it, let's just open it up and see what we have. So this box is really large. Like, I'm surprised. This thing, I don't know how many feet it is, probably like 2.5, maybe 3 or something, but the box is pretty big. All right, awesome. So, oh my gosh, this looks awesome. So this is an air purifier, and what this does is it's kind of like a fan, but on steroids. So when it's blowing air, it actually passes it through a HEPA filter, which clears out a lot of bacteria or other harmful particles in the air. So right now, if you like shine a flashlight in your room, you might see tons of little dust particles, and you actually inhale those dust particles, and those just blow around. But with this, it should suck up most of those and help purify the air, and it also has a UV sterilizer, which helps kill other bacteria and other harmful things. It can also kill viruses and stuff if they're in the air, which they can be helpful if you're in a workspace or somewhere where you just want the air to be cleaner. So this is a pretty big unit. I did say I got this on Prime Day, and what's really cool about this one specifically is the fact that it is Alexa or Echo enabled, so I'm able to like ask Alexa to purify the air, and she'll actually be able to do that, and I can also set smart schedules. So if I'm coming home and I want it to start an hour before I come home, I can do that, and then by the time I get home, the air should be clean in the room I'm in. So that is a lot to talk about. And again, this thing is massive. You can have it vertically, you can have it on the angle. Wow, this is my first time seeing this unit. There really haven't been that many reviews of it. So hopefully this can give you a good idea of what it is and what it can do. So I'm just removing the tape from the side. All right, so I did just open up the filter, and this is the actual filter. I think there's carbon or something and other layers that it'll be able to clean, and these are the replaceable ones. You can also have Alexa pre-order you them. So after about like 3 months, when you need new pads, it can automatically order it for you. Of course, you have to set that up, and yeah. But let me just open up this pad, and this is what the air is going to be passing through, which helps make it clean. This was made by Toshiba as well, and that's a pretty reputable brand. They mostly, I think, make TVs. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. Okay, so this is the filter side. This goes out on this way. I think everything else is pretty much set up. See how there are UV LEDs in there? And then I'm gonna close this up, close that hatch, and I believe that's all I have to do. So on the top there are a couple controls. One of these is for the power, another one is for UV, and then another one is for the fan speed, whether it be low, medium, or high. But like I said earlier, this can be controlled by Alexa, and that's probably what I'll be doing for the most of it. People also use this for some white noise, but I don't think I'm really gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna use it for its actual purpose, which is purifying the air. So here's the quick start guide and a bigger manual. Let me just make sure I did everything right before we get it started. Okay, so what's cool about this is it doesn't have its standalone app. It doesn't just need me to download some Toshiba app. All I have to do is plug it in and just go through my Alexa setup, and hopefully it should all work. The power cord is not the longest, so that is something to consider. But enough of that, let me unplug one of the camera lights and we can get started with the setup. Okay, so it is gonna be a little bit weird for the lighting. My apologies, but we just have to go with it since this is taking up one of the plugs. So we downloaded the app already, plug it in, we're adding a device. All right, awesome, so it's connected, and now it's just setting up through my Wi-Fi, and then after that, I think that's all I have to do. All right, awesome, so it has connected. Turn on my air purifier. Oh, awesome. All right, so that works great. So Alexa does work, and I haven't even like touched the buttons to turn this thing on. I don't know what speed it's blowing yet, but I think this is probably like the slow speed. No, I'm gonna switch it by touching the button to medium. So that's a little bit louder, and then I'm gonna set it to its high speed. Okay, that is quite a bit louder. I don't know how well you can hear this on camera, and now it's back to its low speed. And the low speed is actually really quiet now that after I heard the high speed. The low speed really isn't even like noticeable, honestly. And then this is blowing out, and then the other side is blowing in. And the air that is coming toward me has been cleaned. And let me see if I can turn on the UV light. So these are the controls that we have in the Alexa app. I can turn it on, I can switch the speed, low, medium, high, and I can also turn on the UV light. So now when I switch the UV light on, you heard a beep when I turned it on, and I believe it is currently on, so it has helped sterilizing the air in this filter. Changing the speed up to high, and there you go. So that's going to be it for the unboxing. I will be having a longer review coming up soon once I get used to this. I just want to have this initial review out there for you guys. So once I have this going for a couple weeks, I'll decide to make another review and also tell you how long the filters last and if I've noticed anything with the air quality. But that is the unboxing. It is a pretty large unit, like I said. Again, this will definitely help clean a small to medium-sized room. I'm having this in my basement, probably next to my desk where I sit and work a lot. But other than that, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy. The link for this will be down below if you want to check it out. And again, it does work with Alexa, which is really cool. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.